What up, YouTube? This is part 10 of the K20 swap Integra. So I'm gonna start getting to the wiring right now. I took the plugs that were right here and ran them back inside. Then I'll rewire this. Ran the engine harness into there. Now it's on the ECU. So this is the mess I gotta go through. So now I gotta wire everything in, and then put the heater and fan box in, and then run the wiring for the fuel tank back here, and put the tank up. Basically just start wrapping everything up so I can get it started. I don't know if I'll be getting it started this video, but basically just trying to figure out everything I need to do to wire everything in and blend the harness. So I got that side going. I'm gonna start on this side as well. Basically just tuck it back in so you can't really see it. Its wires aren't going to be used anyway. So yeah, just giving you a quick update right now. So we'll start getting some work done, maybe start figuring out what wires I need to use to get this thing just to start up. So I'm going to start right there and get going. Alright, so now we got the RSX gas tank mounted up. So I mean, it's a pretty big gas tank compared to the stock one, but I'm actually gonna have to get some extension on that strap right here that I'm using, because it doesn't make it. It's about 6 inches short, so gonna have to figure that out to keep it mounted up. Other than that, I mean, the top clears for all the little sensors and everything. I'm gonna mount that to the lower frame right here, and then just run my wiring, and that'll basically be it. I mean, it's not too bad for the RSX gas tank to be mounted with the smog emission. So probably in a couple days I'll figure that out and try to figure out if I'm gonna do the strap or just extend the bolt. So next I'm gonna be probably installing like some grounds, finish up some wiring, and probably do the hydraulic clutch line. So we'll do that next. Alright, so give you a little bit more update of what we got done so far. Cleaned up the wires on this side. The plugs are gone. Same as on the other side. So that's a lot better. Got the engine harness ran through. I connected the ECU. So got that into the original stock place. Now I just gotta run through each wire, figure all that out. I'll be ready for the next video. I'll have this thing started. So we'll have that getting going. And another thing is, I was gonna run the AC lines, but I gotta redo this serpentine belt. I seen a crack in it, and then I'm gonna do the water pump. So I don't want to be messing up brand new parts and getting in the way. So I'm just wait on that. As far as the intake, I just installed it just to see how it's gonna be, but I don't know. It kind of looks like it's a defect. The bracket's totally off. It's supposed to be like right here. So I don't know what's up with this, but I guess I'll figure it out and see. Maybe I installed it wrong or something, but I doubt that. It just seems like it's in the wrong spot. So let's see. Got the radiator just pre-installed. You don't have to cut any tabs or anything, so you don't need any like radiator kits like from K20 like you do for EG or whatever. You can just bolt it right in. This is just a stock RSX radiator and fan. So you can't run the reservoir because it would hit. So I'm just gonna run the stock one off the Integra. So that's basically it for now. Oh yeah, I did the clutch line, so now I can bleed it. We'll have a clutch pedal. The Integra throttle cable doesn't work. I have an EK one. I just have to go pick it up at my mom's house, and basically I can install the throttle cable. I'll bleed the clutch, and then we'll put the headers on. After I clean up, I want to clean up a little bit more around the head, and then oil cooler and everything, get that looking nice and better. But other than that, it's basically going to be ready to start. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, hit that bell, and I'll see you guys later.